Welcome to the best picks. The best golf shoe brush is probably one of the most underrated pieces of golf equipment, yet it plays a crucial role in maintaining the longevity and performance of your golf shoes. A clean pair of golf shoes provides better grip, prevents damage, and keeps you looking your best on the course, impacting your confidence and overall game. In this video, we will explore the top golf shoe brushes available, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your footwear in tip-top shape. Number 5. Frogger BrushPro Golf Club Cleaner. This innovative golf club cleaner is designed to keep your clubs in top condition. It's easy to use and will help you improve your game. It features a unique combination of nylon and phosphorus bronze bristles for superior cleaning power. This combination is tough on dirt but gentle on your clubs. The built-in groove cleaner easily removes embedded dirt and debris from your club grooves. This helps to improve your shot accuracy and distance. It comes with replaceable brush heads, a groove cleaner, and a retractable cord. This ensures that it will remain a valuable tool in your golf bag for years to come. This PGA award-winning brush is a must-have for any golfer who takes pride in their equipment. It's a superior golf product designed for enhanced on-course performance. We're a team of golf enthusiasts dedicated to creating high-quality products that improve your game. We combine performance and fun in everything we do. What we like. It has replaceable brush heads and a patented bristle design for a long-lasting clean. The built-in groove cleaner tackles stubborn dirt. If you value durability and a thorough clean, this is the brush for you. What people say. The bristles were soft enough not to scratch or damage your golf club. This Frogger Golf Club brush cleaner with a retractable zip line and a flip-up groove cleaner works great. It has an oversized grip which makes it easy to hold onto while cleaning your club faces. The bristles are very durable and the flip-up groove cleaner cleans the grooves well. The brushes are stiff enough to cut through the crud and that pointed tip works perfectly. It's plastic so some care seems logical but it seems pretty durable. Like the retracting cord also. Number 4. Golf Club Brush Cleaner. This innovative brush makes cleaning your golf clubs a breeze. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable and efficient cleaning, no matter the dirt. It attaches easily to your golf bag with a retractable zip line. You'll always have it when you need it, for quick cleanups on the course. This brush features both wire and nylon bristles. The wire bristles tackle stubborn dirt on irons, while the nylon bristles gently clean woods and shoes. A built-in sharp pick removes stubborn dirt and grime from grooves. Get your clubs back to their best in seconds. It's lightweight, stylish, and available in 6 colors. It's the perfect gift for any golfer, and a great way to show off your style on the course. Choose from 6 stylish two-tone colors, black and red, blue, green, pink, orange, or gray. Find the perfect match for your golf bag. What we like. This brush features a retractable cord for easy access and dual bristles for different club types. It's lightweight and stylish. If you need quick and easy cleaning on the go, this is the perfect option. What people say. After a season, the brush head is holding up well, with no deformed or folded over bristles. Looks like new. The same goes for the corded retractor mechanism. I would expect this to slowly degrade and fail at this price point, but that is also holding up well. So far this little tool has met all my expectations. I take a lot of divots with my irons so my grooves get a lot of dirt in them. Luckily this brush is always right there so I can brush them clean and have them ready for my next shot while not slowing the rate of play. The retractable zipline is plenty long enough to allow for easy use and the cover on the spike is snug enough to stay on through a couple dozen rounds of golf at this point. The golf brush does a great job cleaning those hard-to-remove pieces of grass and dried-on dirt. The groove spike is great for cleaning out the grooves and bringing the clubs back to a higher performance level. I have had other golf club cleaners and this one has stronger bristles and does a good job. The ergonomically shaped handle is also a plus. Number 3. Golf Club and Shoe Cleaning Brush. This innovative brush makes cleaning your golf clubs and shoes a breeze. Its durable design and convenient features will keep you on the course, looking your best. The nylon bristles are tough enough to remove even the most stubborn dirt and grime from your club's grooves. Say goodbye to caked-on mud and grass. It also features a built-in shoe brush and spike wrench, making it a versatile tool for all your cleaning needs. Perfect for keeping your golf shoes in top condition. The retractable carabiner makes it easy to attach to your golf bag for quick and easy access. Always have it ready when you need it. It's lightweight and portable, making it the perfect companion for any round of golf. Enjoy comfortable use and effortless cleaning. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the golfer in your life? This is the perfect choice. It's practical, useful, and shows you care. Your purchase includes one golf club brush and one golf shoe brush. Everything you need for sparkling clean clubs and shoes. What we like. It boasts a durable handle, includes a shoe brush, and has a convenient carabiner. It's great for cleaning both shoes and clubs. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 solution with easy bag attachment, this is it. Number 2. Golf Shoe Brush Cleaner. This innovative brush is designed for effortless cleaning of your golf shoes and clubs. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, making cleaning a breeze. The handle fits comfortably in your hand, reducing strain during cleaning. Experience superior comfort and control with its well-designed grip. It's easy to carry in your golf bag, so you can always keep your shoes and clubs looking their best. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. It features both nylon and wire bristles for effective cleaning of all your golf clubs. The nylon bristles are perfect for wood clubs, while the wire bristles tackle iron clubs with ease. The triangular spikes easily remove stubborn dirt and mud from textured surfaces. It's the perfect tool for getting into those hard-to-reach spots. It's not just for golf shoes and clubs. It's also great for cleaning other shoes, boots, and even cleats, making it a versatile cleaning tool. What we like. This brush features an ergonomic handle for comfortable use and dual bristles for different surfaces. It's also great for various shoes. If you prioritize comfort and versatility, this is a great choice. What people say. Gets the grass and mud off golf shoes and push cart wheels, and the prong part is useful for getting rocks from the bottom of hiking boots. I attach this to my golf cart and use it on the course to get rid of grass clippings or mud off the bottom of my shoes while I'm playing. It works great. The bristles are nice and stiff, so they work well to get the dirt off. The prongs on the top also are great to pry out rocks that get stuck in the boot treads. Number 1. Proactive Golf Valet 3-in-1 Brush. This innovative brush is designed to make your golf life easier. It combines 3 essential tools into one convenient design. It features a heavy-duty plastic handle and strong nylon bristles built to withstand regular use. You can count on it to last. The handle doubles as a shoehorn, making it simple to put on your golf shoes. No more struggling to get your shoes on. Use its strong bristles to clean your golf shoes and clubs, keeping them free of dirt and mud. It's perfect for maintaining your equipment. A handy spike wrench is integrated into the brush's design, allowing for quick and easy spike changes. Keep your shoes in top condition. It's compact enough to easily store in your golf bag or shoe, ensuring it's always readily available when you need it. Always be prepared. What we like. It's a multi-tool with a shoehorn handle, spike wrench, and durable nylon bristles. It's compact and convenient. If you need a brush that's also a shoehorn and spike wrench, this is the one for you. What people say. The bristles are exactly right. They are stiff enough to use when scrubbing flip-flops, slides, or even sneakers with water and detergent, yet safe enough to gently dry brush suede shoes or boots. The metal tip on the end is amazing at removing mud and dirt that gets stuck in the crevices on the bottom of the soles. Ideal for cleaning golf shoes and softball shoes. Could not find any brush in the store with the metal tips. They are supposed to be used for changing spikes, but they also work really well for digging out dirt and mud in the spikes and cleats. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.